Hello students, till the previous video we have completed about all the three types of animal husbandries, that is cattle farming, poultry farming and fisheries, right? Now we are left with the last and a very small topic of beekeeping. We all know that honeybees generate honey to us. So that is what we have to study in this, that how do they generate, which are the species and what is the use. So making of honey from bee, it is an agricultural enterprise. That means it is a commercial agricultural activities which farmers perform and earn money. It requires low investment, therefore it is used as an additional income. Means apart from agriculture, they generate some honey which lets them make some more money to their income, right? Apart from that, we all know that bees produce honey, but apart from that, beehives are also a source of wax, which is used in various medicinal preparations. So there are two uses of bees. They build beehives and produce two things: honey, which is used by us as a food item, and secondly as a source of wax that is used for a source of medicines. The local varieties of bees include, for commercial honey production, as I told you that there are types of varieties in every. So types of honey bee varieties are Apis cerana indica, which is an Indian bee; Apis dorsata, rock bee; Apis florii, little bee; Apis mellifera, Italian bee. Please, I'm telling you very important thing here, that all these four species have question from this beekeeping for sure every time in the examination. This chapter is also a chapter in class 11th, and there also these species are very important. So please learn these species by heart, write it and learn it down with their names in your head. They will give you that what is the name of the little bee, so you should know that which bee is the little bee. Italian bee is the most commonly used bee, right? It is most commonly used. It has highest commercial production. That means it produces large amount of honey. That is, it has high honey collection. Also, it stings less. It is less stingy. You know honeybees, how stingy they are, but this bee is less stingy. It stays in given beehives for a longer period of time and they breed. Now, as they are staying in the beehive for a longer period of time, so obviously they are not roaming around and stinging. They are busy producing honey, and also when they are staying there, they breed, and when they breed, they produce more varieties. So thus Italian bee is of more importance to us, as it is providing us with honey also and is providing us with more of Italian bees by breeding. So that is why we have high commercial use of this bee. For high yield commercial production, bee farms or apiaries are established. Now, right, ऐसे तो हमें क्या पता चलेगा that where are the bees living, right? So we establish certain places जहाँ पे इन bees को रखा जाता है for commercial nectar production, for commercial honey production. Those places are called as bee farms, or their name is apiaries, right? So this is very important. These two names, they can also come in the examination. Please learn it by heart. Now, what is honey? Why do we require it? Its quality or value depends upon pasturage. Pasturage means the type of flowers which are available there, the amount of good honey which is being produced, also the flowers available to the bees for pollen and nectar collection. I also already mentioned, because bees come and feed on the flowers, and from there they take the nectar, right, which helps them in formation of honey. Also, the type of flowers determine the taste of honey. Now, it is very obvious, when the source of honey is being taken up by the flower, they will definitely determine the taste of honey which is being formed. So this is just all about beekeeping. It was very simple and an easy topic. You do not have to study much in beekeeping. You just have to study these names, which are very important. They can come in your examination. You should know that which bee is important to us, also where are the bees kept, right? That is all for this chapter. By this, we have completed the improvement in food resources in both plants and animals as animal husbandry. Any doubts, any problems till now, please you can contact me via the comment section. Let me know if you have any questions through the entire topic. Thank you so much. Next video I will post on another chapter. Thank you.